Hinahanap mo ba itong property dito sa General Trias, Cavite na along the highway, complete turnover, na may free gate and fence na? Then, welcome to your future home here and First Park Homes. Isa sa mga property dito sa First Park Homes is si Ona as a single attached, Calista as a townhouse, Calista Model Unit as a expansion, Calista as a combined model unit. Hi, I'm Manilyn Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dreamhouse Realty. Magandang araw mga Dreamhouse. Another house tour naman tayo dito sa First Park Homes, which is here located in Barangay Buena Vista, General Trias, Cavite. Calista Model Unit as a combined unit na meron po siyang lot area na 104.50 square meter while the floor area is 80 square meter. Now, let's start the house tour, guys. So, ito yung po yung model dress-up unit, but the part of the actual turnover is included na din po siya yung gate. And, kasama na din po pag turnover yung fence po. So, guys, napakalaki, sobrang spacious po tong property nito dahil meron naman po siyang 104.50 square meter yung lot area. And ang kagandahan dito guys, a combined unit po. So it means, dalawang unit po yung property na pinagsama po. So see, if ever magkapatid kayo, or ever, yun, pwede nyo pag-usapan to dahil nga, dalawang property na to. So now, let's proceed the house tour guys. So ito yung harap ng property mo na as a modern dress-up unit, ito yung ginawa nila as a landscape mini garden. Now, wait, meron po tayong, since combined unit po to guys, meron po siyang another door dito as a steel panel door type. Yan. Dalawang door to. So dito naman, another door. So, but before tayo papasok, check muna natin ditong space mo po dito. So again, 104 square meter po to, 104.50 square meter. So yun, pwede mo siya gagamitin as another car garage or if ever, expand nyo pa, pwede po. Then, service area or magiging laundry area nyo. Now, pasukin naman natin yung sa loob po. So, again guys, this is a model dress-up unit. Door tan natin is a main door, steel panel door type. See? Again, the floor area guys is 80 square meter. Napakaganda. Imagine, ito lang po yung property dito sa General Trias, Cavite na combine. It means dalawang unit pinagko-combine per isang titulo lang po yun. So, napakaganda. So, ito. This is the first part of your first floor. Yung floor natin is naka-vinyl planks type na. Then, yung kisame natin, fully painted na po siya upon turnover. But again guys, is the actual turnover. May mga interior design na po silang binago. So, this is a living area. So, sa living area nyo guys, meron po tayo dito, this part, meron tayo naka-sliding window type. Fully painted na po yung mga walls, yung ceiling natin. Meron din po tayo another window doon. Then, this is a toilet and bath. So, sa toilet and bath natin, complete na din po yung accessories natin. Meron na po tayo lavatory, yung toilet and bowl with flush type, shower, naka-tiles na po siya. Then, fully painted natin po yan. Meron din po tayong window as a jealousy type. Dito, sa katabi ng toilet and bath natin, service area, access to your service area to your another space ng property mo. Now, let's proceed. So, this is a property of your since combined unit, parang first property or first unit. Yun. Check nyo po dito, guys. Meron dito na parang balcony of your second floor. Diba? Ang ganda. Yan. Dito, meron tayong ditong another door, but actually, wala po siya talagang pintuan. Exit entrance po siya for another property mo since combined unit po kasi siya. But if ever magkapatid kayo, dalawa kayong magkapatid, harangan nyo na lang to, then lagyan nyo po ng hagdan or staircase para may access to the second floor. But it depends po yun sa inyo. Now, let's proceed dito sa part of your property sa first floor. So dito nila nilagay yung, so sa first part yung kanina, living area lang po yon. Dito nila nilagay as a dining area. So kasya siya 2, 4, 6 seaters. Now dito naman nilagay nila yung kitchen. So this is your kitchen. Yun, may cabinets na po sila. Then, another toilet and bath. So, sa first floor po natin, meron po tayong dalawang toilet and bath. See? Complete accessories. Meron po siyang lavatory, wall with floater closet, naka-tiles na po siya, fully painted, and meron na po siyang window as a jealousy type. Then, of course, meron na siya another access dito for your service area. Dito, naka-close po siya. Yan. See, napakaganda. Again, ang lot area nito guys is 104.50 square meter. See? Yan. Dito part na to, meron din tayong bintana sa jealousy type. Tapat lang po ng dining area nyo. Then, meron tayo another main door. Since combined unit po kasi siya, meron tayo another main door as a steel panel type. Window as a sliding window type. Hawakan natin metal railings at tubular type. Yung apakan natin sa footstep, naka-vinyl planks type. Then, yun, slide window. Tapos dito, clear glass din siya, awning type na. Actually, na-open din po siya. Then, yung apakan natin again dito sa wooden type as a premium quality. Dito sa second floor, meron pa tayong 3 kwarto po. It comes like lumalabas siyang 2 master bedroom at isang kwarto po. Now, check muna natin yung first bedroom. Sa first bedroom natin, if ever may mga kids kayo, yun, see, ang ganda ng ginawa nilang interior design as a modern reception unit. Fully painted, naka-vinyl planks type ang floor. Yung kisame natin, fully painted na din po siya. Yung window natin, jealousy type. Then dito sa banda, naglagay sila dito ng cabinet with a window as a jealousy type. Now, check naman natin yung first master bedroom. Yun, pwede siya gawin another master bedroom or second bedroom. Yun, pwede po. So again, yung room natin dito, nakaharap sa neighborhood mo. So, kitang-kita po dito yung lot area ng harap ng property mo. See? Ang ganda, ang lawak. Yun. Yung window natin pala, sliding window type. Fully painted po yung wall natin, naging ceiling, vinyl planks type yung floor natin. Of course, naka-ready na po yung mga outlets. Yan. Check naman natin another room, which is the third bedroom or master bedroom. Actually, ito yung master bedroom po talaga kasi ito yung spacious na kwarto. So, yun. Again, dalawa pong window tayo, sliding window type, good for ventilated, and sourcing of natural light. See? Ang ganda. Naka-vinyl planks type, yung floor natin, fully painted, yung walls natin hanggang sa kisame. Naka-ready na po yung mga outlets, provision for aircon, meron na din po yan. See? Dito, meron pala tayong another window. So, sa master bedroom, meron tayong available 3 windows po. Yan, kung naglagay sila as mini office, right? Dito din pala, meron din po silang nilagay dito. Any purposes. Then, meron tayo another window dito. Like pinakita ko po sa inyo kanina, ito po yung mini balcony access to your first floor. So, nakikita mo yung kaganapan doon sa baba. You'll see ang ganda. Again, if gusto nyo pong, again, this is a combined unit, guys. A floor area nito is 80 square meter, where the lot area is 104.50 square meter. Kaya kung naghanap ka this kind of property dito sa General Trias, Cavite, grab this opportunity, guys. Ang lawak ng floor area nito, guys, lalo't-lalo na along the highway, complete turnover, sa lahat ng property dito sa General Trias, Cavite, ito na po nag-iisang property na asa Calista model unit na combined unit. It means dalawang property but isang titulo lang po yun. Kaya, if interested ka, message nyo lang po ako for site tripping or check the actual turnover in a model dress-up unit hanggang sa reservation para ma-assist ko po kayo. Again, I'm Maniling Garrido, your trusted real estate salesperson from Dream House CLT. See you soon! Thank you ka, Dream House!
Hey, 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 hey.